Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. So happy you're here because my May JB Style Box has arrived. I love JB Style Box, can't wait to dig in and share it with you. But first, if you're new, I'm Laura. I have furry sidekicks in the room with me. You will see Xena during the try-on, tan puppy dog, Wyatt, the white puppy dog, and we're happy you're here and hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So JB Stylebox is a styling service. It is through a single store in Holland, Michigan called JB and Me. And I love their personalized service. You get a dedicated stylist. You can contact them anytime you need to. You can usually email is the way to go. But if you need to set up a call, you could. And they offer, when I signed up, they had offered two options. You could get 2 to 4 items, or you could get 5 to, I think it was 2 or 3 items, or 5 or 6 items. Anyway, there was a smaller box and a larger box. I went for the 5 or 6 items, $20 styling fee, but it's a little bit different than the bigger subscription companies. So when you open your box, you're going to see this right on top. You have 5 days to try everything on and then email your stylist and let them know what you're going to keep. The $20 styling fee will be applied to anything you keep over $50. So you have to at least spend $51. And then it says, feel free to use the shipping label provided in the box for anything that didn't work if you keep 3 items or more. The return shipping is covered. Otherwise, return shipping will be charged at checkout. So this is a little bit different. Keep that in mind if you want to try this subscription out. I think it's amazing. I highly recommend it, but I do know that is a little bit different than what you're used to. They are a small business, though, as I mentioned, one single boutique store. So hence the difference. You do get that label to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep, and then you get your pricing sheet. And what's super fun is that you get pictures of your items styled into outfits from your stylist with some short little notes. So let's dig into my bundle. My stylist is Carol. She is amazing. I have always found pieces that I love. Everything's wrapped in fun paper, so it looks like little gifts. Here's my first bundle. They do send shoes and accessories as well as clothing items. All right. First up, what have we got? Something from Steve Madden. This looks super cute. It's called the Lucas Cardigan. Oh, I love that. That is adorable. Look at that open weave. Easily snaggable, but oh so cute if you're careful. Sweater. How cute is that? I love that. That would be really cute over a bralette or a tank or a cami. So, so cute. Then I have something from Billabong. This is the Daybreak Midi dress. Oh, how fun are the colors in this. Adjustable straps. It has the smocked back. That's cute. And it is longer. It does not look to be, just checking to see if it's lined. No, not lined. That's really pretty. The colors in this are pretty. I love the brown, the purple, the green. I love hibiscus flowers, so that is super pretty. Then I have something from Varley. This is the Otto knit vest in Canyon Rose. And that is adorable. Oh, that's cute. I didn't even know they had Varley, so that is awesome. And you can see that little bit of that open weave in there. And it matches these adorable shorts from Varley that are called the Ollie high-rise straight short. How adorable is that? Right? Such a cute outfit. So cute. Okay, but I have more bundles. Let's see what this one is. Looks like one item in here. There's shoes in here too. So many fun things. Okay. What is this? It looks like something. Oh, this is cute. This is super cute. This is by Urban Fit. It says the Breakaway Puffer white tote. Check that out. zipper in the front. It zips closed. It's in this yummy like white color. It might be a little antique-y white. So, so cute. And then look at that. It has like space for your laptop. That's adorable, or at least iPad. And an extra little bag inside. This looks like you could put like wet clothes in here if you needed to. And let's see, another little mesh pocket over here. This is adorable. There's lots of room in here. The puffers would fit in here, huh? Yeah, and that zipper pocket on the outside. That is adorable. I can't wait to see what she says about that. All right, and then I've got this bundle we're going to look at. And these cute shoes by Vintage Havana. So these are a nice neutral with a funky heel, or funky sole, maybe I should say. Check that out. Those are cute. Stuff going on everywhere here. All right, and last bundle. Has what? What is this? This is another Varley piece. This is the Pamela Playsuit. Oh, is that cute? I wish you guys could feel this. It feels amazing, like yummy, soft, flexible fabrication that is not too thin, not too thick. This is adorable. Check out the bottom of these shorts. They have like that hem, pockets. This is adorable. Has like the funnel neck. Oh, I'm excited about that. And then last item is by Cut. And this is the Della sleeveless shirt dress in dark wash. This is also adorable. I am loving this. So cute. All right, this is going to be a really fun try on. Let's get right to it. First outfit, I'm in love with this cut from the cloth dress. She shows some other accessories that you could purchase if you wanted to. And she says, cutest shirt dress by Cut for my first outfit. So if you see a kitty navigating around here, that's Harvey. He's our kitty, and he only joins on very special occasions. Today, picked by him, special occasions picked by him. So today must be one of those, and he is meandering around the room if you see him. So this has some amazing stretch to it. It has the buttons up the front. It's very soft, very comfortable. Hits about probably a couple inches above the knee, but good couple inches past my fingertips here. It has the belt, but it does unbutton the whole way down the front. And yeah, this is adorable. I like the wash. I like the comfort of it. How cute is this? Has the belt. I think this one is adorable. Let me know what you think of this one. Now, one of my amazing subscribers used my referral, so thank you, thank you, thank you. If you use my referral, you get 20% off anything you keep from your first box, and I get 20% off anything I keep from my next box. So a huge thank you to anyone who has taken the time to click a link, to click subscribe, to click like. I so appreciate it. It really helps me out. I do not make money from my channel, so these types of discounts really mean the world to me. So that means that this super fun dress called the Della sleeveless shirt dress in the dark wash, $114 is the regular price. If I decide to keep it, $91.20. Adorable, right? Next outfit. How cute is this dress? She has it paired with the cardigan, same shoes as the last one, and she says, layer the adorable cardigan over a fun tropical vibe midi. And I was really worried about this one because I was worried it would like stick out and be like very dramatic, but it's not. It lays very nicely hanging from the empire waist, we'll call it. So it's got that really high waist, and I think it's laying very nicely. And then it goes down to, yeah, midi length on me in these beautiful colors. Look at Harvey just lounging here. I hope you guys can see him. It's flowy. I was trying to think of the word flowy. I could want to say fluttery. And it has that little bit of the gather here at the chest, adjustable straps, wonderful print. I have an outdoor wedding coming up. I'm thinking this might be really pretty for that. What do you guys think of this one? Love the purple in here. The peaches. This is so pretty. So for this one, it is called the Daybreak Midi dress, and the price is really good. $69.95 was the regular. If I want to purchase it, $55.96. How fun is that? It's by Billabong. I love it. My stylist, I said, she's amazing. Carol is amazing. We'll keep going. So I've added the cardigan. Look how pretty this is. All this open weave. It's very stretchy. You could button it or leave it open. Here's what it looks like with a button. You can button it all the way or just leave it at the top. Hangs a little bit lower in the back. Very comfortable fabrication. See how it kind of goes down in the back or comes up in the front, whichever way you want to think about it. So, so cute. And I do, yep, I have my shoulders in the right place. So adorable. This would be a great topper for anything, even just a t-shirt and jeans. You can see this dress again, closer print. So, so pretty. This one is called the Lucas cardigan. I'm wearing an extra small. The dress I have on is a small. This one by Cut was an extra small just for awareness. But this cardigan, the regular price is $79, and my price with 20% off would be $63.20. Next up is this amazing jumpsuit with the tennies as well as this bag. She has it also paired with a white tank. She said, love this puffy tote purse, workout bag, or for travel. Love the quality of the fabric of this, which I already mentioned. She said it's a fun athleisure romper, adorable sneakers, and if I wanted the tank, it's $36. So I have to tell you, this is the most comfortable romper I have ever put on. This fabrication is luxurious. It does have this bigger neckline, which I kind of open. I have a green bralette on today that matched my dress when I kicked this off, and I think just opening it and kind of having that collar lay in the back, kind of like a sailor look, works. Or you could probably also, you know, do the full-blown collar if you wanted. See if I can do it for you. And create that tunnel neckline or funnel neckline here, almost like a turtleneck, which is not my style, but I don't think would look bad, just for something different. It just feels so like ultra chic. So cute. It's wide at the widest part of your leg. It's not too short. It's very, very comfy, perfect for running around. I do have the tennis shoes on as well. There's extra laces that are in this little bag attached to the shoe. But these are cute. They match really well. Super cute. This does have a nice waistband, creating a waist for you. And then, like I said, this zip up that allows you to kind of create different looks with this one outfit. You'd probably even just leave it kind of up a little if you wanted to. I wish you could feel this fabric. Yeah, that's not bad either. These just feel like fun, high fashion kind of collars, right? And the bag is so fun. Like such a good little weekender bag. or just on the go mom running errands. It's very soft, very comfy. It's not rubbing on your skin. It does have the little, I'm forgetting what these are called at the moment, but the little pieces here that keep your bag from hitting the floor, so it'll sit up just a little bit. I love those. How cute is this, right? And it's in a neutral, so it will go with so much. Fun. So the Varley Playsuit, called Pamela Playsuit, in light taupe. Regular price is $188. If I wanted to keep it, it'd be $150.40. Varley is a super expensive brand, but the quality is amazing. And then for the Breakaway Puffer, $69. My price would be $55.20. What do you think of this? Do you like it? What do you think of the puffer bag? I think it's fun. We'll keep going. Final outfit. So keep the bag, switch out the outfit, and keep the shoes. She said another fun set for the weekend. Now, I feel like this outfit plus the romper could easily be worn for work from home as well, when you're just going to be seen from here up. Nothing inappropriate about it. I mentioned for the top here that I do have on, I had on a green bralette today, but I would switch that out for a different color. But so comfortable. The sleeves come over a little bit here, a nice little v-neck with the collar. It does have the banded bottom. This is what the bottom of the top looks like. So you could leave it out, or I did a front tuck there. And then again, these shorts have the same fabrication as this amazing Playsuit. So comfortable, so luxurious. Does come up a little bit here on the side, but again, wide at the widest part of your leg, which makes your leg look smaller. So comfortable, goes really well with the tennis shoes as also. Drawstring waist, side pockets. You could tuck it in, do a front tuck, leave it out, whatever you like. And you could also obviously wear these pieces separately if you wanted to. Get a little closer just so you can see that weave and the color. I love this. I love all of these pieces. What would I send back? Yikes, what am I gonna do? All right, so the sneakers, the Swift 7 sneaker, $112 by Vintage Havana. $112 would be my price if I wanted to keep it. The original price is $140. And then for the Otto knit vest in Canyon Rose by Varley, the regular price is $110. My price would be $88. And then the Ollie high-rise short in Withered Rose, also by Varley, regular price $92. My price would be $73.60. If I kept everything, which I would love to do, it would be $689.56. The regular price would have been $861.95. So I'm getting almost $200 off if I keep, if I keep it all. Otherwise, I will get 20% off what I do decide to keep. I loved all of this. I love this for work or work from home or weekend. I love this dress. I think this might be really great for a wedding I have coming up, or just to take to the beach or any vacation or just have fun with. I thought the cardigan was adorable. Loved, loved, loved this play set for an easy one and done. You could pack that as well. Same with this. Such great outfits as we get towards the warmer weather, which today it was 82 degrees. So I will list all of these items down below in case you'd like to ask for any of them from your stylist. I can't wait to hear what your favorites were, so please do let me know. And hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Thanks so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, everybody.